In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to unlock Z-Suit in Arc Raiders. The Z-Suit is a legendary cosmetic outfit included in the Astro Bundle. It's a sleek pilot suit with different color variants and is exclusive to Deluxe Edition pre-orders. To get it, you needed to pre-order the Deluxe Edition before launch. The G-Suit was available on Steam, Epic Games, PS5 and Xbox until October 30, 2025. The Astro Bundle, which comes with Deluxe Edition pre-orders, includes the G-Suit outfit, the Salvager backpack, and a spaceship souvenir attachment. If you pre-order the Deluxe Edition, these items will automatically unlock in your inventory once the game launches. You can find them in your cosmetics menu, but if they are missing, try reinstalling the game or contacting support. Players who purchase the standard edition received the Lucky Duck bundle, but unfortunately, the G-Suit was not included, and there is currently no way to get it now. It was a pre-order exclusive. There is some hope among players that the G-Suit might return in the store later, but as of now, there is no official word. If you do have it, feel free to equip it in customization menu at Spyronja, and you can even mix and match with other cosmetics. Pro tip, the deluxe edition is worth it for the tokens and skins, and keep an eye out for future bundles. That's all for the G-Suit. Again, it's a deluxe pre-order exclusive. And that's it. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.